Hey, if you've ever wondered why your bank account never seems to grow, stick around. By the end of this video, I'll share exactly what you can do to finally turn things around. Am I the only one that didn't know how easy it is to lose money without even realizing it? I want to chat about some money mistakes that can sneak up on any of us and quietly chip away at our savings. We all mess up sometimes, no shame in that. But there are a few slip-ups that can really hurt us, and most of the time, we don't even notice until it's already done some damage. The upside? With a little know-how and some simple changes, you can totally sidestep these issues. I'm going to walk you through the 7 biggest money mistakes I see all the time, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. These are real, doable steps you can start using right away to look out for your future self. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's talk. Because a few small changes could make a huge difference down the road. Let's start with the foundation. What happens when you don't have a budget in place? It might seem harmless at first, but skipping this step can have a huge impact on your financial well-being. A budget isn't about restriction, it's your roadmap, giving you permission to spend on what matters most to you. It's a tool that helps you align your money with your values and goals, so you can enjoy life without the stress of uncertainty. Without a budget, you're flying blind, constantly wondering where your money went every month. Especially in today's unpredictable economy, with prices rising and uncertainty everywhere, not having a plan can leave you feeling even more vulnerable. This leads to what's called financial drift. Money vanishes, and you have no idea how it slipped through your fingers. You might feel like you're working hard but never getting ahead. The fix? Track your income and expenses for a month. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet. This small habit can reveal spending patterns you never noticed before. Once you see where your money's going, you can make a plan to take control. You'll spot areas where you can cut back and find opportunities to save more. Try the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This simple formula can help you balance enjoying today with preparing for tomorrow. The real power of a budget is intentionality. You decide where your money goes, instead of letting it slip away unnoticed. You're in the driver's seat. This is the difference between always being broke and steadily building wealth over time. With a budget, you can celebrate progress and feel confident about your future. Don't skip this step. It's the single most effective way to change your financial future. Start today and take the first step toward financial freedom. Next up, living beyond your means, especially as your income grows. Lifestyle inflation is sneaky. You get a raise, and suddenly your spending rises to match. The result? You're still living paycheck to paycheck, no matter how much you earn. Social media and peer pressure make it worse, pushing you to keep up appearances. The solution? When you get a raise, automate that extra money into savings or investments before you even see it. Define wealth for yourself. Choose long-term freedom over short-term gratification. Use your income to buy back your future, not just more stuff. Not having an emergency fund can turn a small problem into a financial disaster. Life is unpredictable, emergencies will happen. Without a cash buffer, you'll end up relying on credit cards or raiding your retirement, both of which set you back. An emergency fund buys peace of mind and stability. Aim for 3-6 months of essential expenses in a separate, high-yield savings account. Start small, even $25 a week adds up. Automate your savings and cut back on a few non-essentials to build momentum. That first $1,000 can cover most small emergencies and reduce stress. Keep building until you hit your goal. Don't wait, start now. Ignoring retirement savings is a silent wealth killer. Many people put it off, thinking they have plenty of time, but the years slip by faster than you expect. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound growth. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to building wealth for retirement. Even small contributions in your 20s or 30s can snowball into a huge nest egg. Consistency is key, and starting early gives your money decades to multiply. Delaying just a few years can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up, and the more stressful your financial future may feel. If your employer offers a 401k match, always contribute enough to get the full match. It's free money. Not taking advantage of this is like leaving part of your paycheck on the table. Open a Roth IRA or sign up for your company's plan and automate your contributions. Automation makes saving effortless and helps you stay on track even when life gets busy. Increase your savings rate every time you get a raise. Even a small bump can make a big difference over the years, and you won't even miss the extra money. The habit is more important than the amount at first. Building the discipline to save regularly sets you up for long-term success, no matter your income. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now, and let time do the heavy lifting. The sooner you begin, the more options and freedom you'll have later in life. Your future self will thank you for making retirement savings a priority today. High-interest debt, especially credit cards, is a wealth destroyer. It quietly chips away at your financial future, making it harder to get ahead no matter how hard you work. Many people don't realize just how much interest piles up month after month, turning small balances into overwhelming burdens. Interest rates of 20% or more mean your debt grows faster than you can pay it off. Even if you make regular payments, the balance can balloon, trapping you in a cycle that feels impossible to escape. Every dollar in interest is a dollar you can't invest or enjoy. That's money that could be building your future, going toward your dreams, or simply giving you peace of mind. The first step: stop adding to your debt. Pause before every purchase and ask yourself if it's truly necessary. Small changes in your habits can make a big difference over time. Switch to debit or cash. This helps you spend only what you have, making it easier to control your budget and avoid new debt. Use the debt snowball, smallest balance first, or avalanche, highest interest first method to pay it down. Both strategies give you a clear plan and help you see progress, which keeps you motivated. Always pay more than the minimum. Even a little extra each month can save you hundreds or thousands in interest over time. Cut expenses, pick up a side hustle, and throw every extra dollar at your debt. The faster you pay it off, the sooner you can start building real wealth and enjoying financial freedom. Consider a balance transfer or consolidation loan if it lowers your interest rate. Sometimes, restructuring your debt can give you the breathing room you need to make real progress. Treat this like an emergency. Attack it aggressively. The sooner you tackle your debt, the sooner you'll feel relief and regain control over your finances. Freedom from debt is freedom to build wealth. It's the foundation for a brighter, more secure financial future, one where your money works for you, not against you. Emotional investing, letting fear or greed drive your decisions, can wipe out years of progress. FOMO makes you buy high, panic makes you sell low. The media amplifies every market swing, but reacting emotionally is a recipe for losses. The antidote: have a clear, long-term plan and stick to it. Invest consistently in low-cost, diversified index funds or ETFs. Automate your investments. Dollar-cost averaging smooths out volatility. Don't check your portfolio every day. Zoom out and trust the process. The market rises over time, despite short-term crashes. Stay the course and let compounding work for you. Trying to figure out money alone is a huge mistake. There's no shame in seeking help or learning more. Personal finance is complex. Take advantage of free resources, books, podcasts, blogs, and channels like this one. Be proactive, apply what you learn, and take action. As your finances get more complex, consider a fee-only financial advisor. Make sure they're a fiduciary, legally required to act in your best interest. Don't let pride or fear hold you back from getting smarter about money. The more you learn, the more confident and successful you'll be. There you have it. The 7 biggest financial mistakes and how to avoid them. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. If you saw yourself in any of these, don't stress. Awareness is the first step to change. Share your experiences in the comments. Let's learn and grow together. If you found value, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money tips. Every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. Thanks for watching.